Let's face it, your mattress is filthy and you probably don't know how to clean it, and this is going to be the way to do it. This is a mattress cleaner from Mint House, and this thing does all the things like UVC sterilization, drying, vacuuming, and padding. It also heats it up as well. You can see that at the bottom, it picks up different debris and dirt and also filters all that through, and it also has that UVC light. It's great size, has the nice handle, and also kind of weighted. It's not too heavy, but it's something that's going to be great and heavy enough to just make sure you're getting your bed mattress or your couch cushions or your couch or anything like that. On the back, you have your filter. Pull out. It does come with 2 extra ones and 1 already in there, and so you could easily change them just like this. It's really, really smart. And then you pop this thing back in, and that's the exhaust for that. So if we power this thing on, you see these lights come on, and that way you know that it's all going on and it's working. If there's any problems with something, if something gets stuck, it'll flash in that certain area and you can look it over. There's a quick start guide to help you get going with it, but man, it does a great job cleaning up that disgusting mattress that you probably didn't realize you needed to clean. So I highly recommend this, and thanks for watching.